Hi guys. Okay, so today I am starting with a 12 by 24 inch canvas, and then after this video you are going to see an 18 by or 16 by 20 inch canvas where I do my galaxy style straight pours. And for those of you that have not heard, I'm part of a fluid art convention in Texas in November, and one of the things that I will be teaching my students that come is the classic straight pour, a galaxy style. I'm going to do a kiss pour. We're going to use smaller canvases with negative space, and a scoop pour with a ring pour inside the scoop. I've done it before, but something fun. And you all will be learning to do that also. So these classes, there is myself, there's Kathleen Osmore, there's Karen Dershin from Waterfall Acrylics. Karen will be teaching her bloom, Kathleen the swipe that she does. Mina's going to be doing ring pours and traveling ring pours. I'm doing straight pours and kiss pours. And then the Mossy boys, they're going to be doing I believe the dustpan pour and the Dutch pour. But you guys check out the fluidartexperience.com. I'll put the link below. Check out some classes, come meet me, have a great time. We also have a dinner planned. You can meet any other artists that you're there to see, but I would really love to finally be able to meet some of my viewers and be able to teach you some of the tips and tricks that I have going on here. So this is actually I've already done the straight pour, and it'll be mostly music in that video because I was doing a class also teaching on Zoom. So if you want to learn one-on-one, you can also contact me in my email link below for a Zoom class and go from there. So these are the leftover paints, and the paint colors that I used were Dark Sea by Global. I used Ultramarine Violet Light by Amsterdam. What else did I use? Gosh. Pearl Glacier Blue by Arteza, 24K Gold. I have Pearl Turquoise by Arteza, and the other Amsterdam color that I had, I have no idea where I put my paints. Oh, here it is. Sorry, guys. The other color that I'm using is Amsterdam's Permanent Blue Violet. So the second video that you're going to see, I've already poured. That was a class. There's going to be music over it. But those are the colors. I also used white with satin enamel. So those are the colors I used. These are the leftover paints I had. I didn't put a whole lot of this ultramarine violet light in there because it can muddy things, at least from my experience. But what I've done here is I've just dirty cup. You just throw all the paint in, no specific layers, and we're gonna play on this canvas. So here we go. And what else? Yeah. See, so this is just a quick pour, and then you'll be able to see the prettier one after. Although this one's turning out really pretty. So pretty in here, and I think I want more of that, so we will see how far I get with the leftover paints. Definitely need a little more of a flow extender, but this area is so pretty. I don't want to lose that. All right. Just trying to make sure you guys can see it. All right. Get over that edge. Now here, I need to get this edge. I do not like this, so I don't think I had enough paint on here, or if I did, it was just really, really thick, so it's not moving as easily as I would like it to. All right, so we're gonna bring it down to this corner. And get it down there. There we go. And now I'm gonna bring it back. So you guys are gonna see the back of the canvas for a minute. Sorry about that. All right. right, so here is the final result. Still wet, of course, but that is okay. I added some of this ultramarine violet in here. Sort of looks like a tree. Maybe it's sinking a bit. I'm not quite sure. We'll see how it looks when it's dry, but it definitely needed some purple on over in here. So this is the final result of this piece. Coming up next, check out the straight pour that I do with these same colors on a 16 by 20 inch canvas. We'll see you in a sec. so here are the final results. They are wet. It has not dried yet. But yeah, this is it. I am super pleased with this piece. And I love all the beautiful cells that the decoart 24K gold added to it. I just love these. And then these in here are so cool. So I hope you liked it.